If you, just like us, have been curious about how Tesla is doing in regards to Giga Berlin, we have some interesting details for you. Make sure to watch this video until the very end. Welcome to another Business Automated video. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way, when we post more content like this, you will get notified. Now, let's get back to our main topic. The first stop for Tesla in Europe is Germany. The construction of the Gigafactory has already begun in Brandenburg, and the company deposited $120 million in cash to the State Officer for Environment. Initially, the final date to pay the security fee was the 17th of December 2020, but a delay in delivering the dues meant that the work on raising the Gigafactory 4 has stopped. Later, Tesla heaved a sigh of relief when the authorities agreed to extend the date to the 15th of January 2021. This time around, Tesla did not need an extension on the date, and they did submit the required sum on time. The deposited money will be used to wreck the Tesla factory should the Environment Office refuse granting Tesla the building permit. The final decision on Tesla constructing its Gigafactory will be made in February. Until then, Tesla can continue to build its factory as it already has the required minor permits from the German authorities. Elon Musk has stated that the Gigafactory would consist of 5 stories. The factory's main goal will be to produce more than 500,000 vehicles in its initial years to cope with the growing demand for electric cars in Europe. Musk further added that the factory would focus primarily on enhancing the battery cells. It would produce 100 gigawatt-hours in batteries annually. Currently, the Gigafactory is located in the Oder-Spree district in Brandenburg. The head of construction in the Oder-Spree district, Sascha Gem, recently noted that Tesla had filed an application to build a new warehouse in the adjacent area. Sascha Gem further revealed that the requested area would be equivalent to 3 soccer fields. The head of construction thinks that the application procedure is simple and will be completed within 3 months. A space of 22,000 square meters to 136,800 square feet can be allotted to the company. Tesla has not yet confirmed the news about the site required for warehouse construction. However, rumors are that Tesla will be looking to store its vehicles there. Some believe that the company is going to improve its batteries at this location as well. Tesla Gigafactory 4 is not the only Tesla factory to undergo developments. The Gigafactory 5, based in Texas, is developing rapidly too and will be delivering Model Y by the end of 2021. Recently, H2O Innovations Incorporated announced that the company had won a major deal. H2O Innovations Incorporated is a Canadian company that provides water treatment solutions. It revealed that the deal had been penned down with America's largest electric vehicle selling company. The deal will be to provide water treatment solutions to a currently under construction factory in Texas. Though H2O Innovations Incorporated did not mention Elon Musk's company by name, it is clear from the wording that the company has come to an agreement with Tesla. The water treatment company will be looking to hone the production quality at Gigafactory 5. In the contract, it is written that H2O Innovations Incorporated will be looking to build 2 reverse osmosis trains. These trains are frequently associated with decontamination of the stream water which is provided to the factories. The reverse osmosis trains further reduce the salt content of the water to a minimal amount. Removing the salts brings water's pH level near to that of pure water, which is 7. Each of the 2 reverse osmosis trains will proceed 5.8 million gallons of water daily, which is when working with steel. Currently, Tesla's Cybertruck production is underway and its body will be made of steel. Therefore, we can conclude that soon the Gigafactory 5 in Texas will be delivering the Cybertrucks. The subtle announcement of its association with Tesla has greatly benefited the water treatment company based in Canada. Within a few hours after the report, the stocks for H2O Innovation Incorporated have risen by 17%. All the news coming up these days suggests the will in Elon Musk to expand. He is currently leading the company to new heights and has not only targeted the United States, they are already operating in Asia through their Gigafactory based in Shanghai and will be functional in Europe later this year. However, this does not conclude here. Some recent developments have triggered the news of Tesla laying its foundations in India and Pakistan. The 2 neighboring nations also share their borders with China and are densely populated. The third name in the rumored list of countries to be the next target for Tesla is Australia. The Tesla configurator in Australia has been updated by the company. The Model 3 Standard Range Plus has been introduced as have a number of other features. A door trim was included in the new features, similar to made in China Model 3 from Tesla's Giga Shanghai. The electric vehicles manufactured by Tesla in the United States lack this door trim. The Model 3 in the United States currently has a range of 263 miles. On the other hand, the previous Model 3 Standard Range Plus, manufactured by Gigafactory Shanghai, had a range of 304 miles. In the recent update, the range has been further increased and reached 315 miles. The Model 3 Standard Range Plus is priced at 66,900 Australian dollars or 51,667 US dollars. On the other hand, the made in China Tesla will cost $38,500. There have been no further updates regarding Tesla Model 3. The delivery time is still unchanged and it will take the company 2 to 3 months to deliver the vehicles. The updates from the East are not over yet. The ongoing reports suggest that Tesla's branch in Amsterdam, Netherlands, will be providing India with electric vehicles. The Netherlands is an appropriate point to export to India, requiring the company to pay significantly lower taxes. Tesla is not taking the mainstream route to enter India. MG Motors began functioning in India through China, while Kia Motors took South Korea's aid. Tesla currently holds the license for business in India and will be functional soon. Karnataka, known as the technological hub of the country, had been chosen as the business territory. The state has solar panels installed with a capacity of over 2.2 gigawatts. An additional 1.2 gigawatts of solar power will be generated in the coming years through different projects that the state has been contracted to. The news of Tesla's entry into India and Elon Musk's comments confirming it was received positively as the company saw its stocks increasing by 6%. India, with the 18% of the world's population, has many car enthusiasts waiting for Tesla's arrival. Pakistan, a neighbor of India, is also keen to get the electric vehicle company of Elon Musk working in it. A recent report stated that the country's Prime Minister Imran Khan is considering meeting the executives of Tesla to discuss electric cars launch in Pakistan. The news had many thinking if it is Pakistan's desire to replicate what its arch-rival India does. However, the Prime Minister already approved the bill in November of 2020. Imran Khan cited that electric cars would provide long-term cheap means of transport and reduce the pollution caused by the fuel-powered vehicles. The primary goal is set, and the aim is to bring 500,000 motorbikes and rickshaws operating on electricity first. It will be followed by around 100,000 four-wheelers, including cars, buses and trucks. Rickshaws and motorbikes perform most of the transportation in Pakistan, so the first priority is to provide the public with affordable means of their desired transport vehicle. The public of Pakistan seems to be happy about the decision. Local rickshaw manufacturers have said that they are willing to provide rickshaws operating on electricity with almost twice the buying price as those running on fuel. Still, the quality of Tesla's software cannot be compared to what these manufacturers will use. Tesla is destined for the worldwide dominance. Countries like China, India, USA and Pakistan contribute most of the world's population, and it is no wonder why Elon Musk is willing to bring Tesla to these countries. If Tesla does continue to expand at the present rate, they will win over the electric vehicle market before any other company actually gets a chance to unveil any of their products. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. You can also go to our Business Automated channel profile to see if we have posted another video update on this topic. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on another Business Automated video.